Right, so I'm just up at the Deer Farm bees, checking them today, make sure everything's alright. These ones are all active, these ones are active. My treasure hunter hive is extremely active. Of course, smoker's going like choo-choo train. That is one active hive, the others are a little bit quiet. We'll have a look. So I've got my smokers going like mad. What I've got in it today, I've got cardboard, like rolled up cardboard, but then I've also got pistachio nut shells, because I like to nibble on pistachio nuts and the shells burn well, and dried citrus peel, because my mum has lemon tea all the time, so she peels a lot of lemons. So I dry the lemon peel and then I use that in the smoker, because I know in a lot of European countries they use citrus peels and stuff for varroa treatment. Not varroa treatment, but to help against varroa. Anyway, let's have a little cheeky pleeky. Oh, there's some bees up there having some sugar. They don't really need that anymore, I wouldn't have thought. Anyway, I'll get into the hives, and then anything interesting I'll come back and bore you with it. So you can see our queen's still in there, nectar's dripping out. The first two frames were just solid honey. Yeah, there she is, Her Highness. Put that back in there gently. A lot of drone brood on that one. I've got my frame grabber today. Try and save sticky fingers. They're back filling with honey. There's a lot of drone brood in there. She's laid up the eggs, the spaces. Nice calm bees. They've all been quite calm bees today, recently, apart from the ones at home. There are loads of pollen in there, nectar. They're building too much of a ring of honey for my liking. She's back filling the space that she's got. Anyway, I'll keep going for it. So that hive's good. I've just scored all the honey that's down in the bottom box so that they bring it up. Well, that's what they need to be doing. These ones are in working the super now. So these bees are on it. Look at that. Full of nectar. 1 week. These girls have built this. And they're loading it out. No signs of any brood up there because I didn't put excluders in. I took them out, in fact, to encourage the bees to come up. Yeah, beautiful. So these girls will want another box. I might actually rob their next door neighbour's box. I'll give them that. I'm running one less frame in all my super boxes to encourage them to build fat frames, because they're easier to extract. Ooh, this one's heavy. And they're capping that, you see, so they're going to want another box. I have got a box of deeps in the car. Or do I take a super off them and give them? Because they're not working their super. So this queen has got a lovely ring of brood going. She is on it. Look at that. It's one of them where I've got the floor low, so they're building that comb again. Full of drones. We'll have that bit off. The trouble is, you see, you get your queenie eye down there and she can get injured. We don't want her injured. Lots of propolis. There's another one of them beautiful queens. See her trying to hide at the bottom there, look. Well, she's got paint on her bloody eyeball. But she's laid up this box. There's plenty of brood in this. This one's about to, it's been a bit slow, but it's about to go, as they like to say. It was a bit low on numbers, a bit worrying. Come on, get out of there, bee. So yeah, they're good. They're definitely not going to want a super yet. Drop that down in the middle there, and then her hiders can get straight to work on it. So that hive's doing well. That hive needs another super. Let's have a look from the front. So Corey's treasure hunter's about to explode. The plain hive, that needs another super. The treasure Mara and Aurora hive, they're on their super. They're going to want another super soon as well. Look at all these bees out the front. Look. They're all confused. Mark is confused, and Queen probably ran out the hive on this one, as long as she don't run in next door. So they're all good. This one is going to explode soon, like going to be bee crazy, so we'll let them get on. I'll check these ones. One of these is a bit aggressive. So this hive has been on syrup, same as the end one. These are cane there syrup, the end one ain't, and I ain't put their lid on properly. So I'm saying these probably might want a super. I'll jiggle frames about. These are my two splits from last year, and there's another one that's a split. So this year they should produce some honey. See, look, they produced a little bit there. There you go, little bees. The first bit of honey production. Anyway, I'll have a check, see what's going on. So this queen is on it. All the brood in there. She's backfilled that. She's backfilled that. All the way to one day old out on the outside. So I don't think these will swarm. These shouldn't swarm till late, a lot later in the season, because say they were overwintered nukes. It's got plenty of brood, look. Ring of honey around it. They are backfilling quite a bit of honey. Next frame I can see is just brood. So them two hives are going to they're going to pop pretty soon. They're going to explode. So we need to order wax. Yeah, look at that. And there she is, look. She just ran off, but There she is. Another one of them tiger queens. I cut her wing right back. But look at that brood pattern. Just a little bit slower than the blondie queens coming into the spring. So these tiger bees, tiger queens are sort of local bees, so not a massive amount of bees in this box, but there will be soon. Another nice one full of brood. This is going to want a super as well. She's got a nice brood pattern in there. Brood at the front, and then the honey stores are at the back of the frames. Downstairs. Oh shit. There she is, look. Big dark queen, this one. I need to change the floor in this one as well. I have done the floors, so I've just got to bring them up and change them. So we'll put this one back nice, carefully. Look, there she is. Looking for somewhere to stick her bum. So they're good. They're just going to want supering up. This next hive, the hive next to me, is the they're a little bit fruity. They take no prisoners, put it that way. So these are going to have to keep their super because they're going to want it. Need to get their asses up in there. Stop storing it downstairs. I should have brought my other thing, and then scored all the frames with the honey around, the ring of honey. Score it so that they have to rework it, and then they'll bring it upstairs. That's what we really need to do. So this hive has popped. See all the white fresh comb, they've expanded well. So we'll see, these will probably want super in as well. So these bees are going to want a super. All of that is just beautiful. They've drawn it out. This is my only national hive I run that I made myself, but it takes the commercial size frames because I bought 2 nukes off a fella a while back and they were on commercial frames, so I built this hive just for that. But the frames in it are obviously standard frames at the minute because the other ones needed re-waxing, so they've built extra on the bottom of normal frames basically. But these will want queen excluder in and super in up, ready for when we come up. I'll come up and do that. So this one wants super, that one wants super, that one wants super, that one wants super, so that's 4 supers. Right, so now I'll go into the bit aggressive hive. Okay, so wow, these are on 2 supers already and they're going to want another. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supers. I don't know if I've got enough frames. Oh, these ones are not aggressive today. Well, I've not got down to the brood yet, but they have filled that super, this super. So these desperately want a super. That one's pretty heavy, so these want another. I want a couple of boxes where I want a couple of supers of just cut comb this year. So these will be a good contender for that. And that other strong one over there. So I'll get on the frames tonight. I need 20 decent frames. So they've dropped little sausages of honey on top. So we need to get them off and have a look. I need a tub. So otherwise I'm going to end up with a sticky mess. I really want to eat some of that, you know. Don't get me bees, I'm coming in for eating some. Well, I'll tell you what, that's delicious. I'm going to get a box. So wow, they're doing mad. They're doing really good. They're doing good. Super, needs a super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supers. I need 5 supers, little bee in my face. But look at that, that is mad. That's a mad stack going on there. Oh, mad videos. Anyone who think that's favouritism, look, he's going loony. Although Tripwire's ready to pop. The Treasure Hunter collective hive's ready to pop. Joker's Magnet and Charger are ready to pop. They're all ready to pop. Everyone's still fair game. So these all need supers. This one, Corey's Treasure Hunter and A&M Prospecting, and Marty's nuts about digging is about to go nuts with bees. Happy Bees, my hive, that needs a super, and Marlon and Aurora bees need a super. So everything's good in the bee hood. That's what we want. We'll be getting some of that golden syrup soon, I reckon. Right, so I'm just back at the deer farm with the supers for the hives, so that we can put the extra supers on the hives, so they've all got their ready supers. We've also got the go ahead from the man from Del Monte to say yes, you can cross the grass in the Mighty Panda.